Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial the quickest way to run an internet speed test on your Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need access to two things, one being the Mac computer itself and an internet connection. We can now start the tutorial. Now let's go on to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Click on this, wait for that to load. Now in your search engine, type internet speed test. Click on this, and then we should have a box on screen that will allow us to run the speed test. Click on this. This will now calculate and test first the download speed, which comes to about 129, and now the upload speed is being measured as we speak. This will come to about 20 megabytes per second, and there we have it. The test has finally completed. 129.3 download, upload is 20.3. We can test again if we wish to. However, let's now quit this, minimize Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.